If you're looking for ways to attract more local customers to your business when there's lots of competition in your community, then this video is for you. I'm Mallory Graham, and these are 5 proven ways that will get you more customers in your local community. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of my next video. The first tactic for getting more local customers to your business is to download and start using the Google My Business mobile app. If you operate your business from your phone like me, then the Google My Business mobile app is perfect for things like updating photos, updating your hours, responding to comments, responding to reviews, and pretty much everything on your Google listing. I know before I strictly used the computer for updating my Google My Business listing, and then long weekends would creep up on me and I would forget to update the hours, or I would forget to respond to reviews on my Google My Business. But doing this from your phone is much more convenient. A frequently updated and accurate business listing on Google is a great way to get more customers to your business. Do you guys use the Google My Business mobile app, or do you just use it on your desktop? Please let me know in the comments below. The second tactic for getting more local customers is to make other local businesses in your community love you. This is so crucial because locals will be asking other businesses in your community where they should get a haircut, or where they should get a deck built, or where they should go for lunch this weekend. And you want to make sure that those other local businesses are telling their customers that they should go to you. But how can you make this happen? Well, first, in order to receive love, you first have to give love. Attend community events or other businesses' events and share them on Facebook and Instagram from your business account. You could also get schmoozing, so giving perks, discounts, or free trials to other local businesses. Having other local businesses in your community refer your business to their clients is a great way to get more customers fast. The third tactic for getting more local customers to your business is to host events. The beautiful thing about local business is you can host events organized through Facebook. And Facebook events are killer effective if you haven't already experienced this. Events themselves are a great way to bring the community together, and also for local businesses, it creates good feelings around their brand. Facebook allows you to take your event promotion to a whole new level because people who are seeing their friends who are interested or who are attending your event will naturally encourage their friends to go to your event as well, which creates a snowball effect around your business. Additionally, you could run a quick and easy Facebook ad to promote it to your local audiences. And this is a super great way to get more customers to your business. Have you hosted an event on Facebook before to see how awesome it is? If you have, comment below with yes. If no, comment below with no. The fourth tactic for getting more local customers to your business is to partner with other local businesses for promotions and contests. If you don't know the power of partnerships for your business, watch this video on the Business Model Canvas, which explains how amazing partnerships can be for your business, allowing it to scale and also allowing you to cut costs. But who should you partner with? Find complementary businesses to yours, or businesses who have a similar target audience to you, but your products and services aren't competing directly. Agree to cross-promote or run a contest that offers a prize for the other partner's business. This is great because it's exciting and it creates buzz, and it expands your audience very quickly. That creates more momentum and more customers for both businesses. Now, the fifth tactic for getting more local customers to your business is to create powerful experiences and incentives for customers to leave rave reviews. Now, why are reviews so important? People in general are trying to find solutions to their problems, right? For example, I'm craving some ice cream on this hot summer night at the cottage, and in order for me to solve this problem, I turn to my go-to search platform. I might Google ice cream near me. I might type in Dairy Queen on locations on Instagram. I might look on TripAdvisor, or I might look on Yelp. Now, how do we know what they're going to turn to? It will depend on the nature of the business itself and how our target customers think and make decisions. This means that when they are looking on their go-to search platform, what are they going to see? Are they going to find your business? A lot of these platforms are built on reviews. Some ways to encourage your customers to leave these reviews are to please their pants off, so they want to go out of their way to tell people about it, build it into a follow-up email kindly asking them to leave an honest review, or offer an incentive for an honest review. Just say, hey, we are trying to get more reviews so people will know about us. That's the truth. And if you take a few minutes to leave an honest review with us, then we will thank you with this brand new bouncy ball or whatever it is. People love gifts and stuff. As your reviews grow in quantity and quality, so will your customers. So now you know these 5 awesome tactics to get more customers to your local business. If you're looking for a step-by-step process for creating a digital marketing strategy, then download my digital marketing guide at the link in the description below. If you like this video, please let me know by hitting the like button. Let me know what you liked about it in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.